I joined Academic'sCity because of their unique selling point, which was practicality. I'm sure we've heard that so many times tonight, but um, I live not too far from Academic'sCity actually. I used to see the BSc and undergrad students. I see them on LinkedIn, what they were doing in the engineering department, the robotics department, AI. Like I saw how practical they were. So that was why I joined Academic'sCity. Nothing good comes easy. It's going to be, I had to learn time management trying to get along with this course because I didn't have that kind of background. But I can say that it has transformed me so well. Academic'sCity has met expectations, honestly. If you realize during my introduction, I made mention of the fact that I work at two different places. So the second job I actually got via one of the projects that I did in school. So during the interview, the one of the interview panelists saw a project I had done on my GitHub, and just like that, he just interviewed me on that specific project that I had done. And just like that, I got the job. I didn't have to do so much, but just because I did that project on my GitHub, I got that job. So Academic'sCity has actually exceeded expectations and has really transformed me. Thank you.